The neuron starts at resting potential at negative 70 millivolts as all the channels are closed.
The neurotransmitters, which act as ligands, attach to the dendrites and send a chemical signal into the cell body. This triggers the first sodium channel to open.
As sodium flows in, depolarization starts in the membrane. And as depolarization gets to a threshold of negative 55 millivolts, action potential is triggered.
So once the sodium channel is open, sodium starts to flow into the node of ROM VA, which causes the inside to become positive. And so once this happens, the potassium channels start to open, so potassium will then start to flow out of the node of ROM VA, which causes the outside to become positive again, the inside to become negative.
And the charge returns to negative 70 millivolts.
Although the charge has been restored, the sodium ions are now on the inside of the axon, whereas the potassium ions are on the outside. And so to restore equilibrium, this pump, after the first potassium channel is triggered, the sodium ions will be pumped out into the outside of the axon, whereas the potassium ions will be pumped back in a 3-to-2 ratio. Once this has reached the end of the axon, the neurotransmitter will jump the synaptic gap, triggering the next neuron to fire.